Say your marketing team needs every asset featuring your CEO for a campaign, instead of manually digging through your library. Brandfolder's AI people tagging does that work for you, so you can search and filter content by the people in it. Here's how to set it up. Admins and owners of the brand folder can select General Settings from the Settings dropdown. Then switch to the Advanced tab. You'll see an option for AI people tagging. Toggle it on, and Brandfolder will scan your assets, detect faces, and catalog them. Selecting View Status in the pop-up will redirect you to the People tab in Bulk Management, where you can see the scan progress. But you'll receive a notification when it's done. Once complete, you'll see all of the people identified across your brand folder. From here, find your CEO and select Name Person to assign their name. From that point on, every asset featuring them is tagged and searchable. After everyone is named, you can sort by how frequently someone appears or by name. And selecting a person will display all the assets they appear in. Any identified person will be tagged in the asset modal, giving you fast, reliable ways to find and filter content by the people in it. So what are you waiting for? Enable people tagging in your brand folder to start building out your library. Learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center, and thanks for watching.